What you need to do to continue mining quickly. Let me emphasize this before we go any further. It is not possible to become a Pi millionaire overnight by simply downloading the app. The mere fact that you have registered with the network does not imply success. I hope we understand that. Nevertheless, I will demonstrate and teach you how to use the Pi network to generate income over the next few minutes of this video, and when the time is right, you can even become a millionaire. I have covered the Pi network's trend in previous videos, as well as when to anticipate the mainnet. We also examined doubters and those who are unsure of the purpose of the Pi network. I have received a lot of messages recently from people who are curious about the Pi network but are either scared or uneasy about it. In this video, I would try my best to dispel a few myths. It is likely that many pioneers are curious as well about the precise moment at which the Pi network can be made profitable, as I have frequently stated in various videos. This is the question that, in my opinion, is on everyone's mind but has never been directly asked. Alternatively, perhaps I should say that we are not asking because we are preoccupied with what we can do with Pi right now and anticipate quickly moving to the future. Briefly put, if you stay around, you will learn the next steps and what to expect from the Pi network's open mainnet. To begin, I have a question for both seasoned pioneers and those just starting out. Which techniques are you using to mine Pi on the Pi network application? Or do you just happen to be among those who hit the button and bide your time until the following day? Are you among the folks who register, hit the mining button once, and then leave the site without ever coming back? Perhaps you were one of those who believed they could register and sell or exchange their Pi right away. And they just stop coming back to mine when they are unable to exchange or sell it. Additionally, some believe that Pi network offers an instant solution to financial problems or a quick way to get rich. The best ones are those who download the app and, after using it for a day, never return to mine. In order to ensure they never remember, they even go so far as to mute the reminder. Now that we have established a few pioneer categories, let us move on to the main topic of this video. You must be interested in using Pi to generate income, I assume. In order to prepare you to profit from the network as soon as it enters the open mainnet, I want to share with you some basic but essential principles that you can use to increase your profits from Pi. Permit me to take into consideration the new pioneers who are watching this video and learning about the Pi network for the first time. Here's how to embrace the cryptocurrency of the Pi network. Download the Pi network app first, available for iOS and Android devices from the Play Store and Apple Store, respectively. Proceed to complete the mandatory fields and supply a username. This will serve as your Pi network identity. Next, you should use the app's text messaging feature and Facebook verification, both of which are available on the app, to confirm your account. Navigate to the profile option by clicking on the menu button on the left side of the app. With that out of the way, let us get straight to the point. It is necessary for you to click the mining button once every 24 hours as a registered pioneer. This further demonstrates that you are a person and not a machine. However, many of us do not adhere to the straightforward rule that states that we should mine and gather as much as we can prior to the mainnet opening. Every now and then, especially after reaching a new milestone, the core team usually reminds all pioneers. They repeated this as soon as Pi hit 50 million. While you can, mine at a higher rate. After Pi reaches 100M engaged pioneers, the mining rate may cut in half or stop altogether. In other words, you must mine more quickly, which means doing the following. How can you mine more quickly while the system is periodically halving at the same time? In the following minutes of this video, we will examine this. I urge you to keep a close eye on this as there may come a time when users will no longer be able to sign up as pioneers on the mining app. It will also reach a point where mining a single coin for weeks will become challenging. Sounds strange? Keep watching and you will understand. This part is for only those interested in mining faster and supporting the Pi network. You must take the following actions in order to mine coins more quickly. Encourage more people to sign up for the Pi network. As strange as it sounds, it is merely a bonus to your mining rate and is not really a requirement to join the Pi network or keep up a good record. Your mining rate increases with the number of members in your team, but keep in mind that you are not helping anyone. When one member of your team stops mining, the rate decreases, and this also affects you. Create your security circle. After 3 days of consistent mining, it is recommended that you create a security circle because this was intended to be a functional feature. I have discussed the significance of the Pi network security circle in a number of videos. Links to the videos are provided in the description. Believe it or not, security circle will become a decider soon. Make sure you are prepared before you are kicked out. To create a security circle, your team must have a minimum of 5 registered pioneers. This raises your Pi mining rate by plus 0.007 per hour and is impacted by the monthly halving. Be mindful of this and maintain consistency. Consistency is the main and important watchword. As a team, you build Pi together, so once you achieve consistency in your mining, you should inspire your Pi network team to do the same. Team chat on the Pi network app. Use the chat platform to interact with one another, set up a chat room for your team, and use it to exchange important information. Take part in the general chat rooms as well. It makes no sense to have only 20 regular miners and roughly 100 pioneers on your team roster. That means you have 20% of your members mining on a regular basis. You need at least 60% of your team to consistently mine if you want to succeed. When you notice that there are inactive team members, you need to play a part to wake them up. This can be achieved by utilizing a button that you can find in the Pi app. Ping inactive members on your team. This button is activated when you press it and stays that way for the next 24 hours. Your team member will automatically receive a notification reminding them to mine once they become inactive. For success to happen, pioneers need to be constantly mining. There are more than 50 million active pioneers on the Pi network. Are you one of them? Please feel free to ask any questions you may have in the comments section. Remember to hit the notification button and subscribe to receive updates whenever I upload new videos. For those who want to know how they can get more of their mined Pi into their wallet, it's very simple. Keep an eye out for my upcoming video, where I will walk you through the exact process of getting more of your mined Pi transferred to your wallet. I would like to express my gratitude to my Pi network team members. As always, you have all been excellent sports. Keep going and keep mining. Attention Pi network community. Are you ready to make a difference and bring transparency to the forefront? We are calling on you to support a petition to invite the core team of the Pi network for a live stream interview. Join us in seeking answers to the challenges and delays the Pi network has faced. Let's appeal to the conscience of the core team and ask for their support. Imagine the impact of a direct conversation with the core team. This is our chance to address concerns, promote transparency, and build trust. By tagging the Pi network in the pinned comment, you can show your support for this petition. Let's make our voices heard and demand the transparency we deserve. What if the conditions are not met? Are we willing to wait another year? Let's unite as a community and push for the answers we seek. Together, we can make this petition go viral. Let's show the core team that we stand united and demand open communication. Sign the petition, tag the Pi network, and let's make a difference together. Join us in shaping the future of the Pi network. All we ask for are answers to some questions that are pressing and will help to shape our expectations in the future. The more people get involved, the better chance we have to get answers. Head to the pinned comment and tag Pi network with the comment shown on the screen. Together, we can make a difference. Make sure to share to other pioneers and encourage them sign the petition as well. My name is Tony, and this is Basic Knowledge. Till my next video. Keep mining.